Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a beautiful 1973 Camaro. Got the owner here restored it over, what, 3 years, huh?
Took 3.5 years.
Jeez.
Frame off.
With your son, right?
Yep.
Wow.
Together.
Came out beautiful. So tell us a little about it.
Well, she's got a GM 350 4-barrel with a Edelbrock aluminum intake.
Okay.
Edelbrock 650 carb 4-barrel.
Great.
Got a 373 rear.
Just put that in, right?
Yeah, just put that in about 6 months ago.
It's a real nice compliment to the motor, that one.
4-speed, all new gauges, and she's been our baby for a while now.
Wow, so you had it completely disassembled and put it back together?
Frame off, ground up.
Ground up.
Yep.
Came out beautiful. Love the color.
Thank you. That was a custom color of gray that we did with metal flake. The silver, all painted on the stripes, was all done by hand.
And that's a Mercedes color, right?
Yes, it is.
And it's all painted in, cleared over.
And cleared over, yes.
Wow, looks great.
Interior's all redone.
Nice cowl hood. That's a steel hood.
That's a steel hood.
Got the center lines on though. Those are Champ 500s. I remember those. I had them on my Mustang.
That's all old school.
Old school, yeah.
She runs great.
Really nice. Paint's pretty fresh, huh?
Yeah.
Got headers, dual exhaust, power steering, power brakes. Interior's
Exactly.
all done. All new rubbers, seals, gaskets, right?
Yep.
Buckets look great. Her shifter.
Yes.
Love the Autometer gauges.
Nice clean gauges.
Yeah, the carbon fiber accent.
Yep.
New dash pad.
Yes.
Man, everything's new. New carpets, new seats, you name it. I want to ask you how much you got into it.
You know,
A lot.
it was part of the joy with building it.
Oh, sure, yeah. Pretty car. Headliner looks great too. Let's fire it up.
Okay.
Sounds nice.
Thank you. Gotta go up front.
Nice and clean and tidy under here. 350, power steering, power brakes, long tube headers leading to dual exhaust. Polished Edelbrock high-rise manifold. Said I had an Edelbrock 4-barrel, 650. Yep. Electric choke.
Yep.
Originally an air car. That's nice, huh? Blaster coil. Looks great. We running around the block?
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go for a cruise. .373's made a nice difference, huh?
Oh, absolutely.
Nice highway.
It goes, and it goes perfect with this engine.
Yeah. Juiced.
She's really set up perfect.
Stop signs around here.
There's a lot.
It's the stop sign everywhere. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. If you feel free to give me a buzz. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website, webeautos.com. Thanks a lot.